The judiciary is established under Chapter 8 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda. The Constitution states that judicial power is derived from the people and shall be exercised by the courts in the name of the people and in conformity with the law and with the values, norms, and aspirations of the people.
The judiciary is one of the three arms of the state, which is responsible for administration of justice and protection of human rights, promoting the rule of law, and of course contributing to economic development. It is a partner in this development endeavor with other two arms of the state, the executive and the legislature. So our main role is to deliver justice to the people of Uganda and those living in the country, to maintain a delicate balance of power between the three arms of the state, and to ensure that there's peace and tranquility in the country and that the people live in harmony.
The judiciary is also one of the leading institutions of the justice, law and order sector, a holistic government of Uganda approach focused on improving the administration of justice, maintenance of law and order, as well as the promotion, protection and respect of human rights.
Before the sector came into being, everybody was blaming the other. When somebody is arrested, the police will say, we have sent him to court. You blame the prosecutor. When the prosecutor was asked, why was this person released and go away? Then they say, you blame the court. So we found that we are all going in circles. Instead of addressing the issue was which institution has failed. Then we said, why can't we work together to minimize this bouncing the problem from one to the other? The sector now is about 13 years old and it's done a lot of wonders. Now you don't hear people bouncing the issue. We take issues as a sector.
The judiciary is faced with many challenges brought about by social, economic, environmental, political, technological and global changes, in addition to those arising from the 1995 constitution changes.
One of them is, and the serious one, is that the judiciary is not sort of counting in this way. People are trained and then they are taken away to other places. The other challenge is the staffing is not adequate. Now the Supreme Court is not properly constituted, the Court of Appeal is not properly constituted, even the High Court. Judges are retiring, but of course the Judicial Service Commission is now doing something. They are trying to bring on board judges who will take up this position, but even then there will still be few.
To meet these challenges, the judiciary has continuously redefined and re-engineered itself by articulating a new vision on which the future trajectory of the organization is based.
We are concentrating on emerging issues, international criminal justice. We have established the Anti-Corruption International Crimes Court. We are also dealing with corruption, which is an element to good governance and accountability. And to that extent, we have established Anti-Corruption Court. We are also dealing with emerging issues, the protection of the family and the children, so that family justice is also an important priority for us. And lastly, land justice, because land is the bedrock of economy. It's the basis for livelihood in the country.
I see the future very bright for the judiciary. The foundation has been laid. And now the next thing is to perfect how the judiciary delivers services to the people. We shall have more facilities in terms of court buildings spread throughout the country. We shall have more people, because as you know, judiciary can only do its work when their people are present. That's the judicial officers and their support staff. And with the age of information technology, we are going more into making our references be in soft copies, either online or available on CDs and so forth. And we have been doing that. So if you want to find more about the judiciary, you go to our website, www.judicature.go.ug. We have almost all the information, the judgments who have been delivered, the laws of Uganda, what is taking place in the judiciary and so forth. We have all those materials.
Like the Commonwealth Magistrates and Judges Association, the Uganda Judicial Officers Association was formed in 1970 with similar objectives and is a very active member of the East African Magistrates and Judges Association, which brings together all judicial officers in the East African region.
This is a prestigious conference because it is held in countries that are deserving that are respected by other judiciaries, that are peaceful, that are democratic, that respect the rule of law, that respect the independence of the judiciary. And so, this is a credit to the judiciary, to the government of Uganda, and to the people of Uganda.